Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT questions. Now in this particular case, we've got an odd one out question. We've got a misfit sentence question, CAT 2018 question. Now, how do we approach this particular question? This is a tough one, right? You can pause this video for a second, solve this question, and then go through this video explanation. How do we identify the correct odd one out here in this particular case? That is the question that is in front of us. This is a complicated paragraph, right? Why is it a complicated paragraph? Because all the sentences, they revolve around the same theme. One common way of solving odd one out questions is you go through the set of sentences, you identify the one statement which is not based on the same theme or subject, and it becomes an easy question type. Here you've not been given that leeway. Now since we do not have that option of eliminating options on the basis of common theme, what do? We form pairs. In this case, we form sets of connected statements, and that's how we eliminate options. If two statements connect with each other, then they cannot be the odd one out. They have to be there in that given order, in that given paragraph. The odd one out will not connect with any of the other statements. Now the two pairs in this case that we have in this particular case, the first set of connected statements here is statements 1 and 2. How do they connect together? Statement 1 says that as India looks to increase the number of cities, our urban planning must factor in potential natural disasters and work out contingencies in advance. So we should be prepared in advance. Authorities must revise data, upgrade infrastructure and mitigation plan even if their local area hasn't been visited by a natural calamity yet. In order to prepare themselves for natural disasters, urban planning should factor in different contingencies, and they should revise data, upgrade infrastructure and mitigation plans. 1 and 2 are connected to each other. Now the other statements, two statements which are connected to each other here, are a set of opinions here. These are not facts, these are opinion statements. Statements 4 and 5, what do they state? There is no denying the fact that our baseline normal weather is changing. We cannot deny the fact that our weather is changing. What is an outcome of this fact that our baseline normal weather is changing? It is no longer a question of whether we will be hit by nature's fury, but rather when. So this is the outcome of statement number 4, and 4 and 5 connect with each other. We can't deny the fact that our weather is changing, and since our weather is changing, now it is not a matter of whether we will be hit, it's when will we hit by nature's fury. Statements 4 and 5 connect with each other. So we've got two pairs, 1 and 2 and 4 and 5. These are the two pairs that we've got. Statement number 3, extreme temperatures, droughts and forest fires have more than doubled since 1980. Now the only problem with this is it takes us into the past. Right? We are talking about the future in statement 1, 2, 4 and 5. There is no comparison with what has happened since the 1980s. We are talking about how our weather is changing, how we will be hit by nature's fury. What is it that we need to do in order to plan? What is it that we need to do with respect to our cities? What is it that we need to do with respect to our urban planning? That is what we need to think about. We need to look at the future. Comparison with the past, they've doubled more than since 1980. So what? How does it connect with any of the other statements? This statement does not. It's just a random fact which is floating in this set of sentences, and hence it is the odd one out here. So this is the reasoning behind this question. Tough question, requires careful analysis, the kind of question that is going to challenge you. Hopefully so you're clear with the reasoning now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.